Hello, everyone. So our planet is Uranus, and to begin, I will share my screen so that you guys can see our presentation. Here is our presentation. So I'm Melissa.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Lisa.
So right here we have our slide overview. The first slide is the geology of Uranus. The second slide is the density. The third is the size. The fourth is the orbital period. The fifth is the distance from the sun. And the sixth is satellites, rings, and extra info. Here there's just pictures of what the planet looks like. You can see it where on the left where the rings are not visible, and on the right where the rings are visible.
So Uranus's geology is Uranus is much smaller than both Jupiter and Saturn. This planet contains more ice and silicate rock. It has thick blue clouds of methane gas around the planet, and then the rings contain 10 dark narrow rings around Uranus. Some density is Uranus's density is 1.27 grams per cubic centimeter, and this makes it the second to last dense planet.
So now I'm going to talk about the size of Uranus. Uranus has a radius of 15,759.2 miles. It is 4 times wider than Earth. And then to the right, you can see the size comparison of how much bigger Uranus is to Earth. So now I'm going to talk about the orbital period of Uranus. So 1 day in Uranus takes about 17 hours. Uranus makes a full orbit around the sun in about 84 Earth years, 30,687 days, Earth days. Uranus is one of the 2 planets that rotate in the opposite direction from east to west.
Now I'll be talking about the distance from the sun. Uranus is about 1.8 million miles from the sun, and it is 19.8 astronomical units away from the sun. So here you can see the comparison of where Earth is and where Uranus is, and then where the sun is. You can see that Uranus is really far out compared to where we are. So now satellites, rings, and extra info. Uranus has 13 rings. The rings that are closer to the planet are darker, and the ones that are farther out are lighter in color. This planet is also the coldest planet, again, because it is so far out compared to Earth. It's farther from the sun, so it's colder. And it has 27 moons, and the inner moons appear to be roughly half water ice and half rock, and the outer moons remain unknown. So there you can see the picture too, and that is our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.